You know that sound, the jingle of sleigh bells on a snowy day? That's exactly the feeling I wanted to capture with this ornament. This design was inspired by one of my husband's favorite Christmas songs, Sleigh Bells, and I just love how it turned out. The simple sketch of the horse-drawn carriage against the tree-lined background feels like a scene straight out of a holiday postcard. And it's made entirely in the hoop using a 4x4 hoop, and it stitches up so quickly. Perfect for last-minute gifts or adding a handmade touch to your tree. What I love most is how easy it is to personalize. There's a nice open space where you can add a name or a phrase, and I recommend using a small, elegant font like the mini fonts from Designs by Juju. They fit perfectly with the sketch look and stitch beautifully. This project uses just a few simple materials: canvas, low loft batting, ribbon, tearaway stabilizer, and thread. Like all my designs, this one is free on my Patreon page, Prairie Chic Patterns. So if you love cozy, classic Christmas stitching, this sleigh bells ornament will be one you'll want to make again and again.
Thanks for watching. This design is free on my Patreon. Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative fun.